Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, rear defrost, trip computer, CD player, MP3 player, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.